Alright, yeah, so we need to get intake gaskets, because we got to switch the intakes. Intake manifold gaskets for the exhaust. We need valve cover gaskets, plenum exhaust gaskets, and we already have the thermostat housing gasket. And then we need to get a water pump gasket, and all the other gaskets should come with the set for the new engine. Old engine, new engine. Are we taking the oil pan?
Yeah, you better take that oil pan.
Take the oil pan.
Because we got the wrong gasket for the oil pan.
Fucker can see what an oil pan looks like.
Oil pan's pretty good. You still need that yellow rag?
Huh?
You still need the yellow rag?
Yellow?
The yellow towel?
No, she said you guys can have that towel.
Here's the fuel rails.
Where's that bad up for? You know how close I came to getting 50
Fuel rail.
50 shop towels for up there, hard to break for $9.99, I think it was.
Some.
50 up.
That's the exhaust I can't use.
Came that close.
Transmission.
But that's $50, so. Yeah, I could
A lot
walk
more
around
work
in that damn place.
than I thought.
I could walk around in there and freaking buy all damn day long.
Here.
20% off. Oh, you get a free tape measure.
They'll give you something free that they ain't got.
Yeah, they brought, Linda got 2 of those little
Got the
flashlights.
2.
I said they give them away free, normally.